And like I said, Richard, if you're out there, I don't know what you did with that VIX position, but like I said, I expected VIX to get hit after the number, and then you can always reload. All right, here we go. It's just holding here up 40 basis points across the board. We're not going to see too many gaps other than beyond. Let's see what the markets are in these things, just for fun. I want to see how wide these markets are. Actually, I mean, this is not, I mean, these are wide markets, but given that you just moved 30%, now they're $4 wide in June. But they're trading. That's interesting. So we're seeing, look at this vol. Here's something, the vol's only down 3% right now. After this, it's got to settle in and find it, and then they're going to crush it. This vol is June vol or next, wow, this is actually up. Remember, we were looking at these 147, they were like 147, almost 148. This is up 15 vols, something you don't see very often. After an earnings report, implied vol going up